Sure, I'd be happy to help. The scientific paper you provided is all about something called bacteriophage therapy. Bacteriophages are viruses that can infect and kill bacteria. This is super cool because it means they could be used to fight bacterial infections in humans. The paper talks about how some bacteria have become resistant to antibiotics, which are the usual way we treat infections. This is a big problem because it means that some infections are really hard to get rid of. The paper explains that bacteriophages could be a solution to this problem. It talks about how these viruses work and how they can be used to treat infections. The authors of the paper did a lot of research to see if bacteriophages could be used to treat infections in humans. They found that the viruses can get into the bloodstream and reach different organs in the body, which is important for them to work effectively. The paper also discusses some of the challenges with using bacteriophages as a treatment. For example, they talk about how some early research on bacteriophages had problems because the viruses were too specific and couldn't kill enough different types of bacteria. They also talk about how the viruses need to be really pure to work well, and how they can be cleared from the body too quickly. The authors of the paper also discuss some of the studies that have been done on humans to see if bacteriophages can treat infections. They found that the viruses were effective in treating infections caused by different types of bacteria, and that they were safe for the patients. This is really exciting because it means that bacteriophages could be a new way to fight infections that are resistant to antibiotics. In the end, the paper shows that bacteriophage therapy has a lot of potential to be a new and effective way to treat bacterial infections. It's still early days, and there are some challenges to overcome, but the results are really promising. This could be a game changer in the fight against antibiotic-resistant infections.